Hello. In this video we will learn how to create our own bot in WhatsApp. But to do it through the official WhatsApp API, we need to have a legal entity and also pay $500 per month for the bot. But we will do it all for free through the LandBot service. We need to open the browser, or you can follow the link in the description and write landbot.io in the search box and then press enter. We have opened the website and we need to go to the upper right corner and click on the sign up free button. To log in, we can use email or Slack or Google account. I will register with my Google account. The window has opened. And now we need to enter our Google account here. We enter the password and now our website has already opened. Here we are asked what our name is. Let's write that we are study. Now we need to specify the name of our company. Let's write study 2. Size will simply be set from 2 to 10. In the industry section, I will select other. Click next. Now, here we need to choose what we will create and what we will use it for. Let's select support and FIQ. Next, select the beginner level. Where did you hear about LandBot? In your case, YouTube video. Next, select WhatsApp. And then you can choose an option. Start from scratch, use a template, or build it for me. Let's choose use a template option. Here we can choose many different templates. We choose any because we will leave this and move to another place. Here it is loading. We have an information about what is needed for what. But for now, we will just look at the main possibilities. We need to go to the upper left corner, to the dashboard panel. Here you need to click in the upper right corner on Build a Chatbot button. Choose WhatsApp. And what can we choose here? There are different templates for products and other things that you can choose from. Some of them cost money. But I choose event registration. And here we can customize it for ourselves. Let's say we need to register for some kind of training course. But I will not remake it for a course. I will make it for a private party. To navigate through this field, we need to select this icon here. After that, we will be able to drag the field where we have different blocks. Let's move on to the first block. What we can do here? Hi name is written here. It means that this will be the first message that will be sent to our person. That is, hi and his name. We can also add something else here. Let's click. Move on and ask how are you doing. We can also make a change here. December 31 has passed. So let's choose May 25. And not in Barcelona, but a private party in New York. like this. And what do we see here? We see such an arrow that goes to the next block. That is, from this block, we go to this block. Let's move on and see what we have here. We have yes and no options. Yes leads here and no leads here. Next, we need to specify what we will do. We will jump. If we choose 1, then this block goes here. If we choose yes, then this block goes again here. If 2 or no, we go to this block. Let's see what happens if we choose 1 or yes. We will go to this block, where we will be told that OK, fine, and that we need to subscribe. We can completely change the text here, but I won't do that. You can make the font bigger or smaller, put some kind of emoji, like this, and after this block, we will receive another message, where we will need to write our name. The text can also be changed in this panel. Full name, that is, we are asked to enter our full name. We leave it, and we are also asked to enter our email. If we enter the email incorrectly, there will be a message that we entered the email incorrectly. That's it. After we have entered all this, we have transferred to a new block, where we will receive a message with congratulations, our name, and description. And here we also need to change it to New York. We've changed it. And then we will receive a message, see you soon, and our chat will be closed. Now let's see what was in the other version, with option 2 and no. If we choose a 2 and no, then we are transferred to the option with good. You can monitor our website and see the news. Here, let's say our website is written, and goodbye, after which the chat will be closed again. How can we now go to the chat with the bot in WhatsApp? We need to click on Test, Yes. Here we enter the name. Let's write Study and write the number. Add number and test. We will test it first. Let's click on Open WhatsApp Web. Then we click on Open WhatsApp, after which our WhatsApp application will open, where we will need to scan our QR code. I scanned it, and now we are entering. And here we have Lambert test. Click OK, let's test. We are asked, how are you? And here we have a message that on May 25, there will be a party in New York. Let's choose the yes option. Then we will receive a message with what we have already written. Let's write Bob as our full name and our email. If we write it incorrectly, then we will receive a message about it. So we have to write it correctly in the correct format. And that's it. Then we will receive a message that we will see you soon. Let's see also what will happen if we press no. We are given a yes or no question. We write no. It says OK, monitor our website, and for now, that's it. This chat ends. Let's minimize our browser and move on from here. Now we can publish our chat and everything will work. That's all. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and see you soon.